Dear students, this is Sriganappa Physics lecturer. In this video, we are going to discuss one of the concept that is electrification or charging. First, what is the meaning of charging or electrification? It is the process of addition or removal of the charges from the body. It is called charging. Okay, see here. This is the process of addition or removal of the charges from the body is called electrification, or we can say this is charging. This charging here we have classified into three types. The first one is charging by friction, and second one is charging by conduction, and third one is charging by induction. So now we discuss one by one. First we have to consider charging by friction. So what is the meaning of charging by friction? It is the process of charging in which two insulated bodies rub against each other. This process is called what? Charging by friction. Okay. Here we consider two insulated bodies. The first one is glass rod. First one is glass rod. Second one is silk. These two are insulated bodies. These two insulated bodies rub against each other. When the electrons are transferred from glass rod to the silk, then when the electrons transfer from glass rod to silk, means this glass rod loses the electrons. Therefore, this glass rod becomes what? Positive. But silk cloth, it gains the electron. Its charge becomes what? Negative. Due to rubbing. Okay. Due to rubbing between glass rod as well as silk cloth, the charges are transferred from glass rod to the silk. Here, glass rod becomes positive charged and silk cloth becomes negatively charged. In this method, we observe that we have two bodies exist, two opposite kind of the charges, but they having equal magnitude. These two having equal magnitude, but opposite kind of the charges are present in the charging by friction. Okay, this is explanation about charging by friction. Next one we are discussing that is charging by conduction. Charging by conduction. Second one, this is charging by conduction. Charging by conduction. This is the process of charging. The good conductor contact with the charged body is called, this is charging by conduction. It is the process of charging in which good conductor touched with the charged body. This process is called what? Charging by conduction. First, initially we consider one of the body, this is good conductor. This is good conductor. You make arrangement with the insulated stand here. This is the good conductor. So another one is glass rod. That glass rod already positively charged. Definition show that positively charged glass rod, which is physical contact with the conductor. This glass rod already charged, this is positively charged, this is. This positively charged glass rod, which is physical contact with the good conductor. So this is positively charged means what? This glass rod which is having deficiency of electrons. So in this good conductor, we have number of electrons as well as protons. This charged glass rod having the deficiency of electron, therefore these electrons they are moving toward the glass rod. They are moving towards the glass rod. It means what? This good conductor loses the electron. Any conductor loses electron means what? It becomes what? Positive. It becomes positive. Positive charges are accumulating over the surface of the conductor when we remove the this is charged glass rod, because of here number of electrons they are moving toward the glass rod which is having the deficiency of electron, therefore it is also becomes positively charged. This is the explanation regarding charging by conduction. This is charging by conduction. In this method, one thing we have to observe here, a charged body having positive, but good conductor also finally becomes positive charge. But in the previous one, that is charging by friction, we have opposite of kind of the charges are developing. But in this method, we have same kind of the charges. We have the charged body is positive, finally we getting positive charge. If what happens if we have using that is a rubber rod, the rubber rod which is rubbed with the fur, at the time rubber rod having the negative, that negative rubber rod which is a physical contact with the good conductor, this is a rubber rod having the excess of electron. The excess of electron. When excess of electron, they are moved on the conductor. Then remove the rubber rod. Only over the surface of this conductor, negative charges are present. Means all charged one is we using here negative, here also negative. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ತರ ನಾವು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ತಗೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು? ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ರಾಡ್. ಇದೇನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ, ಈ ಗುಡ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಡೆಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಈ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಇಟ್ ಲೂಸಸ್ ದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್, ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ಅದೇ ತರ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನೇನು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಟಾಗ ಆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಐತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಆ ಎಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ? ಈ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂಡ್ತಾವ. ಅವಾಗ ರಬ್ಬರ್ ರಾಡ್ ಏನ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಬಂದು ಓವರ್ ದಿ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ? ಚಾರ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ಬೈ ಕಂಡಕ್ಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಯಾವುದು? ಚಾರ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ಬೈ ಇಂಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay, so ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಚಾರ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ಬೈ ಇಂಡಕ್ಷನ್. Charging by induction. First of all, what is the meaning of charging by induction? This is the process of charging in which charged body which is kept near to the conductor. It is the process of charging in which charged body is kept near to the conductor. Is called charging by friction. Right? Here we first consider this is conductor. This is conductor. We consider initially conductor. Okay, this conductor we have, this is the charged body, this is glass rod. This is A point. For this conductor, one end we have, we can represent it with letter that is A, another end we represent it with letter B. Right? So when this positively charged glass rod which is brought near to the conductor, this conductor having negative charges as well as positive charges. So negative charges are present in the conductor, they are moved towards the positive charged glass rod. Similarly, same kind of the charges means positive charges are present at the another end, at the B end. They are moving towards the B end. These are moving towards the A end because of we have charged body is positive. Then next step, when this positive B end make neutral by connecting earth. This is A end and B end. We have this is glass rod which is having the positive at the one end. Here we have the negative charges. Here positive charges which is connected to the grounding. So this is what? This is the symbol of what? Grounding, which is connected to the grounding. So when which is connected to the grounding, the earth having millions of free electrons. These free electrons, they are moving towards the B end. Here we have the negative charges. Free electrons moving here at the point of B, it becomes neutralized. There is no any charges. After some time, you remove the both glass rod as well as earth. Glass rod as well as earth. At the time, glass rod as well as earth we have to remove here. Okay. So ಈ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ರಾಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅರ್ತ್ ಎರಡನ್ನ ನಾವು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲೈಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇದು ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ರಾಡ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋಂಥ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ಇರೋಂಥವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಿದಾವೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಓವರ್ ದಿ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದು ಕುಂತ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾವೆ. Charges are present over the surface of the conducting material. This method here we can say that is charging by induction. So here in this method, charged body is positive, but finally we getting what? Negative, opposite. If we here using negative charge, here we getting positive. So in case of charging by induction, this method only we can use in transformer only. This method takes place in only in transformer. This is brief explanation about electrification, or we can say that is charging. Very important. Sometimes they are asking for this charging by friction for 2 marks, charging by conduction for 2 marks, charging by induction for 2 marks. So you have to understand clearly. So bhal interesting irutte idu, correct agi artha ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಎರಡು ಇನ್ಸುಲೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಾಡಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ರಬ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆವಾಗ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಚಾರ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ಬೈ ಕಂಡಕ್ಷನ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಚಾರ್ಜರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ, ಡೆಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು ಸೇರ್ತಾವೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಅದೊಂದು ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್. ಮತ್ತು ಚಾರ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ಬೈ ಇಂಡಕ್ಷನ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಚಾರ್ಜರ್ ಬಾಡಿನ ಗುಡ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಹತ್ರ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ನೀರು ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಬಟ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಆವಾಗ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಚಾರ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ಬೈ ಇಂಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ, ಐ ಹೋಪ್. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.